How to add song in Edits and Instagram app. If you have been using the Edits application and wondering on how to add song on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this. Now tap on to this button right here, just like this. Then choose one of the photos or videos that you would like to add the song, just like this. Now to add songs, simply tap on to add audio, just right here, select it. Now from here, simply choose one audio, just like this, and tap on to this arrow and tap on to add. And now you can see the song has been added. And the next way you can do to add song is go back and tap on to this record button right here, and from here tap on to this music button, just like this. Then simply choose one audio, just like this, and tap on to done. Now you can simply record the video using that audio right here as the TikTok. And that's it. This is how you can add song into the Edits and Instagram app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.